Hello, everyone. I decided to post because why not? Yesterday I was planning to post on Friday, but I said hello no. Anyways, this is BTS texts, the one with the loud noise at night. What is up with all the noise? Can you guys be any quiet? Yes, be quiet. It's getting annoying. I can't even get my beauty sleep. It's not me for sure. It's getting louder. Stop. Did anyone bring someone home? I'm trying to sleep, keep it low. Okay, now hobby, come over and give me cuddles. On my way 12 minutes later. WHO is making so much noise. That's the noise of some good old said art. Stop. Go to sleep. Whoever it is. Can you be quiet with your damn moans? I can't even sleep. Also, hobby, where did you go? I think I saw him in the bathroom. Whoever it is, I like the sound of your moans. Jim and stop, go back to sleep. Anyways, isn't it weird Jungkook and Tae hasn't said anything? True. Plus hobby came back and he said the moaning is coming from Jungkook's room. Let's bust in on them. But what if we see, privacy? Honestly, I have no complaints if I see them naked. That's just kinda weird. Don't you think? Fine, it's a plan. Let's all meet up in front of Jungkook's room. Okay, as long as I can be the bad cop. We are not doing bad cop or good cop. Plus we have 4 of us. Fine. There can be a bad cop, good cop, big cop, and worldwide handsome cop. Which the worldwide handsome cop is me, or whatever. With your nonsense 5 minutes later. What took you so long? I had to check on myself. And purposely check myself out. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Jimin, Yoongi, Hobby, Namjoon and Jin bust the door and walk inside. What the hell? What are you guys doing? We came to see if y'all were doing the dirty. What? No. Why think that? We heard moaning. Lost of moaning. Oh, that was Yeontan. We trying to put a pickle costume on him that Jungkook bought for Yeontan. Oh sorry, that's our fault, we should get going. Sorry for bothering you two and Yeontan. They left the room with Yeontan also leaving with only Jungkook and Tae alone. That was weird. Also thanks for buying Yeontan his costume. No problem. It looks nice on Yeontan. Anyways, round 2. I need you right now. Let me take control then.